tour. We are Carnival Miracle, cabin 7244. It's a balcony cabin, as you can see. I'm gonna start at the closet. We got a couple of them here. When you first walk in, back up a little. As you can see, we got the, they're pretty good size. Let's start this off, first of all, by saying this is a very small ship. And it's obvious once you get involved. If you've been on something else, you know, it's kids closet. Well, let's not be too judgmental. But yeah, it's good enough. But just mind you, if you're used to other types of, if you're used to bigger ships, this will definitely take some getting used to. Closets are nice. When you walk in there on the left, the bathroom is one of the smallest ones that we've encountered thus far. But again, Carnival Miracle, it's an older ship. We've been here now for a couple of days, so it looks a lot more lived in than normal. Yeah, got a nice sink. Yeah. Okay. Storage space. You can go down here. Garbage can, shower curtain, as opposed to glass. But got the little lip on the bottom to keep the water from getting out. It's a relatively nice bathroom, just small. I mean, for 4 people, it's one at a time, maybe 2, but if it's 2 people in there, you gotta love each other. Otherwise, it'll be a problem. As we walk in, we got the hooks here, 2 hooks on the wall. Here's the light switch for the bathroom. It takes a while for the light to come on, and you gotta flick them both. If you flick just one, it won't work, but those are on. Look. Now it comes on. All right, so remember that, because we came in and we just stood here doing this forever, waiting on something to happen right now. So there, okay? Oh. So remember, you switch, have patience. To the left here as we come in a little further, we got the vanity. Nice lighting. I will say that. There's nice lighting in this room. It lights up all along here, all the way around there, here, so good enough lighting. 2 children, we're sleeping 4, so we got the bunk beds going on. Now he told us they don't come in twice a day anymore. They come in 1 time. That being said, he came in last night. We didn't need him. He came in last night and pulled this down, and he said that stays down for the entirety of the cruise. So, it doesn't hurt much. We wasn't planning on camping out on the couch, but that was a couch. This actually came out of the wall here. It came down like this and made that happen. I mean, it's good. It's big enough for an adult. I think an adult could stay up there old. So we got our waters. We have the table here, which is the only down, because before this table was a little further over this way when the couch was set up. But now that that's a bed, it's been sitting over here. Storage, plenty of drawers. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. They pull out quite far. And you have this one here in the middle. And then you have here your cooler / refrigerator. We bought soda and waters. As you can see, we bought our we brought our power adapter thing, the power box, because there's only 1 of these in the room. 1. There's 1 European plug, 1 120 volt American plug. So we bought our cube, plugged that in, You know, charger for the computer for the kids because they have school. Here's the phone. Room to room is free. Anything other than that, they gonna take an arm and a leg. Had some fat, ugly dude standing there holding the camera talking. Nice size television. I'd say, you know, for the room, I mean. Room's not that big, so television shouldn't be. Open this up and we got a safe. It's kind of small. You could probably fit your basic laptop in it. You know, that could fit in it. So, as you can see, we brought our wine. Each adult in the cabin can bring on a bottle of wine. 2 per cabin, I think, is the limit, though. This water, you know, I think that costs, you know, the big bottle that they put in the room. But these are ours. We bought that. We bought a case when we came in. Another mirror. Nice, good size. And more storage over here. More storage going on. Nice, nice, nice. Good. I guess this is a king size. No, it's probably queen. Who knows? Good size bed, though. It's actually quite comfortable, considering. Let's make our way over. There's more storage on each side of the bed. As you can see over there. If that opens up, there's a drawer over there. This one opens up, both those lights. There's also another one way over there in the corner. As we take a step out onto our balcony, it's I'd say standard, but it's actually a little larger than a standard balcony, meaning larger, meaning longer, wider. The depth is pretty standard, but the width is a little wider than your normal one. Doesn't look as such, but it is. It's nice. Got 2 chairs. Only one of them lets back. That's a beach chair. This is the only one that lets back. But then you got the table here. Another chair. And that's our view. She got us a room that's on the end of the lip. As you can see, then it goes back. There's no one right next to us, so it goes back. It's not right down there. We're on the protrusion. We're at the end of the protrusion. That's about it, guys. Relatively, you know, it's a Pacific Ocean weather. It's a little brisk out here, but you know, no complaints. Captain's gonna find us a good spot to bask in the sunlight in the midst of these clouds that you can see. They go around, but they break up out here. He's finding us a spot where it's nice and sunny. But yeah, that's the room tour. Cabin 7244. Aboard the Carnival Miracle. And again, it's lived in. You know, we want to show you the lived in version, not just as soon as you walk in and, you know, like most people show as soon as you walk in, this is what it looks like. Now, this is what it looks like once you've been here for a day or two. Yeah, we got our hooks. You know, we got our clamps. So you can see our clamps up there. We give those to the kids and they just place them everywhere. I don't know why, but you know, it's fun for them. Got the clamps. We also got hooks. Those are dry. We dried them outside. But we also got the hooks. That'll stick up on the wall. You know, because everything in here is metal. It's a ship. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Cabin 7244 aboard the Carnival Miracle. It does the job. You guys take it easy.